Alright, as promised, here is footage of Rockefeller Center and the Christmas tree with the blizzard. Full effect. Merry Christmas. Freezing here.